Jupiter is the most benefic planet in astrology. Jupiter indicates growth, expansion, good fortune, prosperity, wealth, higher education, religion and law. It also indicates knowledge and wisdom. Let us see the results of Jupiter in different houses in birth chart. Welcome to my channel Solar Astro. If Jupiter is in first house of your birth chart, then you are a noble person. You are calm and quiet and a deep thinker. You will have good habits. You visit holy places. People come to you for guidance. On the whole, you are lucky. If Jupiter is in second house in your birth chart, then you are poised person. You accumulate wealth but unable to enjoy. You have good speaking skills. If Jupiter is in Sagittarius sign in second house or Pisces sign in second house, then you accumulate wealth and you win over your enemies. You get recognition, name and fame. If Jupiter is in Cancer sign in second house, then Jupiter is exalted here. It gives immense knowledge. If Jupiter is placed in third house in your birth chart, then this is bad placement. Life will be unsatisfied and tense. This placement is also bad for father and relation with father is also not going to be good. Whereas if Jupiter is in Sagittarius sign or Pisces sign or Cancer sign, then there will be no ill effects. If Jupiter is placed in fourth house in your birth chart, then you have comfortable life. You enjoy material and home comforts. You get favors from your mother, friends, workers and spouse. You are surrounded by female company, but there may be some delay in childbirth because Jupiter as a Karaka of fifth house placed in fourth house, that is 12th from it. If Jupiter is placed in fifth house in your birth chart, then you are an intelligent person. You will have high status. You are interested in scriptures and learning astrology. You visit holy places. But this placement may delay childbirth as Karaka of fifth house placed in fifth house resulting Karako Bhavanashaya. If Jupiter is placed in sixth house in your birth chart, you win over enemies. You accumulate wealth if Jupiter is well placed, but you may not command the respect you deserve. If Jupiter is afflicted or debilitated in Capricorn sign, then you are involved in court cases. You may have poor digestion and prone to liver disorders. If Jupiter is placed in seventh house in your birth chart, you will have long life. You will rise higher position than your father. Your spouse will be poised and devoted. For females, Jupiter in the seventh house indicates rise in status for the husband. If Jupiter is debilitated in Capricorn sign in seventh house, then spouse will not be poised. If Jupiter is in 8th house in your birth chart, you will have long life and enjoy all pleasures. You are a generous person, interested in astrology and you visit holy places. Jupiter from 8th house aspects 2nd house, 4th house and 12th house. So, you earn wealth but at the same time you spend lot of money. If Jupiter is placed in 9th house of your birth chart, then you are prosperous. You are inclined towards religious activities. You visit pilgrimages and you are blessed with children. You get happiness, wealth, knowledge, respect, high status and you will have good relation with relatives and spouse. If Jupiter is placed in 10th house in your birth chart, you are not satisfied in your profession. You may not reach the topmost position. You follow rules and regulations and you are law abiding person. You accumulate wealth and may also inherit ancestral property. If Jupiter is placed in 11th house in your birth chart, then you will have long life. You will never have money problems. You will have good education. You have the blessings of elders and forefathers. Jupiter aspects third house, so you look after your siblings. It also aspects fifth house, so son will be born to you, but number of children will be less. Jupiter also aspects seventh house, so you will have good married life. You will also have good workers and servants to serve you. If Jupiter is placed in 12th house in your birth chart, you don't have attachments. You are little bit lazy, not happy with children. If Jupiter is placed in Sagittarius or Pisces sign, then you accumulate wealth. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. You get interesting and useful videos and also transit results of planets every month regularly.